Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to use gainer by a keyboard in a virtual DJ. While you're playing the virtual DJ, it's very important for us that how you use gainer to have the effective vocal quality on your DJ sound. Simultaneously, of course, audio song vocal quality, of course, you can have effective by accelerating or deaccelerating of gainer key. So by a keyboard, it's a very important quickly how you will push, deaccelerate or accelerate virtual DJ gainer. So let's understand with example here. Now see guys, here just I would like to show you. See guys, this is my gainer here. So let me have on a 0. Now see here this song quality. Now with the keyboard, left or right X, how many you have a take. Of course, sometimes we can totally control the volume of also by using this gainer. How to show? Let's see. Suppose here, let's once again totally control guys. Now I would like to have a little bit. So this is an easy way to control by a keyboard 5%, 10%, 100% by a keyboard. So how you will custom? How you will use here by using a keyboard of your computer this gainer feature in a virtual DJ. Let's see now. Just I will come in a setting. In setting, just you need to choose a mapping to here, right? You want to be able to get here, just to see here directly you need to write gain space -5% when you would like to deaccelerate volume and gainer in your virtual DJ while you're operating. So gain space -5%. Similarly, just opposite we need to go in accelerating of gainer point in a virtual DJ while you operating gain space +5%. Of course you can have a 10%, 20%, also less than 5%, of course you can have. And after doing here it, just you need to click on a shape. So when you will clicked on save, now see you can feature yes, increase, decrease, accelerate, deaccelerate. So it's very easy guys. Now see. So this is all about in this video tutorial. My motive, that's how you will utilize by your keyboard gainer in a virtual DJ. Very important to have the effective DJ. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. If it is informative and knowledgeable, then please ponder, like, subscribe and share. This content might be useful. Who is looking forward such a content to have the effective virtual DJ. So might be helpful for those who are looking forward such as this video, guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time.